In this episode of Eco Explorers Unleashed, our team ventures into the heart of Borneo's Twilight forests, where conservation efforts are as dense as the canopy above. They join hands with the Orang Asli communities, who share their age-old wisdom on coexisting with nature while utilizing its resources sustainably. The explorers marvel at the rarity of the pygmy elephants and orangutans, emphasizing the pivotal role these species play in the ecosystem. They highlight a sustainable harvesting project that's reducing deforestation and empowering locals economically, demonstrating a harmonious balance between development and nature conservation. Practical tips on supporting wildlife corridors and promoting sustainable forest products offer viewers a chance to contribute to Borneo's preservation.